Good morning, children. Hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. Children, now let's start with another effect, that is magnetic effect of an electric current. But how do we know about this effect and what is the requirement of this effect? Let's see first that. Children, in activity 14.2, there was a term. If you go through with the activity 14.2, it is written over there, heating effect of current, that is heating effect of electric current, through which we have seen, through this heating effect only, the bulb which is there, it has been indicating over there, the bulb starts glowing over there to indicate that yes, the filament in the bulb has heated, and we can see the heating effect of current. As soon as the current has been passed in the circuit, the bulb has been glowed, or the bulb has been started glowing. And how come the bulb was glowing? Due to heating effect of current. There is a fine filament which is made up of tungsten. That filament gets heated up as soon as the current is passing through the circuit, and the particular effect we can see, that is heating effect. The two open wires which we have considered, which one has been connected to the positive terminal of the battery and another one is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, which one we have rectified cathode, another we have rectified as anode. Both has been dipped in a liquid, and that liquid was lemon juice or vinegar. That we have completed. Now children, if we want to detect that is vinegar or is lemon juice is a weak liquid or a strong liquid, rather than this effect, rather than heating effect of current, is there any other method to detect weak or strong current flowing in a circuit? Is there any other method that we can see that rather than this effect, is there any other method to see that the current in the circuit is weak or strong by any of the liquid, that is by lemon juice or by vinegar? Yes, there is one more method, children, that is known as magnetic effect of an electric current. Yes, there is one more method which is known as magnetic effect of an electric current. Let's see the diagram, children. मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट, जब भी कोई इलेक्ट्रिक करंट किसी सर्किट में फ्लो होता है, वहाँ एक मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट तुमको दिखेगा. वो वीक होने से जो ये कंपास नीडल है, दिस इज अ कंपास नीडल विच आई हैव मेड ओवर हियर. सो दिस इज अ सर्किट where two open wires are there. These two open wires, because we have to see the effect, magnetic effect in liquids, because we have to see, do liquids conduct electricity? So these two wires has to be dipped in any of the liquid. Rather the liquid can be lemon juice, rather the liquid can be vinegar, rather can liquid it be hydrochloric, detergent, the washing powder liquid or the detergent liquid, any liquid, कोई भी liquid जिसमें ions हो, हमको इसमें डालना है. So ये particular two wires you dipped in that liquid, and then again connect these wires with one positive terminal and another one with negative terminal. Let me mark the terminal so that you will understand. One positive terminal and another one, let it be negative terminal. So these are the two. If the positive terminal, तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा anode और ये हो गया तुम्हारा cathode. So अगर the deflection which I told you, it is a compass needle, ये needle अगर slight deflection दिखाता है, if the needle shows a slight deflection means the current flowing in the circuit, जो ये circuit में current flow हो रहा है, it's weak. If the deflection is large, बहुत अच्छी तरह deflection हो रहा है, means the current is strong. तो इसी तरह deflection के according या deflection के ऊपर base करके on this magnetic needle और compass needle जो तुम बोल सकते हो, ये magnetic effect दिखता है. If a current is flowing in a circuit, this particular deflection will be seen in this compass needle. I have to deduct is the liquid is weak or strong. That I can do by seeing the deflection over here. If the deflection is slight, means this is a weak liquid, the liquid which you are taking over here, where these two electrodes have been dipped. If the deflection is more, means the liquid is strong. Now children, there has been a table given related to this particular activity, which they ask you which are the liquids which are strong and which are the liquids which will show weak current is flowing in the circuit. And do we see the deflection in the compass needle or not? There we will write yes, no, or poor conductor or good conductor. Let's have a look in that table children, and that table you have to complete it in your book itself. This table is in page number 175 and table is related to activity. So it is table 14.1. Table is 14.1 and activity is 14.3. The magnetic effect which we have seen, that activity is 14.3 of page number 174. Related to this activity, the table is in page number 175 and the table is 14.1. They are asking you that compass needle will show deflection or not. So you have to write yes or no for different liquids, and is it poor or good conductor. So let's start. First, lemon juice. Yes, we will see the deflection. Yes. If it is yes, means it is good conductor. Next, vinegar. Vinegar. Your answer has to be yes. If it is yes, I already told you, it's good conductor. Next we come, tap water. Answer is yes. So it's good conductor. Then we come, vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. There will be no deflection. No deflection. Dilemma में है, वेजिटेबल ऑयल में करंट थोड़ा वीक होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा वीक होता है. सो डिफ्लेक्शन कहीं कहीं दिखता भी है, कहीं कहीं नहीं भी. सो समवॉट इट्स अ डायलेमा आंसर, बट लेट अस कंसिडर in one of the class, that is I think in 8C, I told the children let's write for yes. So those children also of 8C, please make a correction over there. No need of maximum 98% book I have seen that for vegetable oil they are writing the deflection has to be no, means usko no karke hi consider karo. So 8C students, please make a correction in your book, make it as no. So no, jahan no hai means it is poor conductor. And then we come for milk. Yes, milk is full of minerals. So milk के लिए हो जाएगा yes. अगर milk yes है तो हो गया good conductor. And finally that is honey, and honey comes over here with no. No means it is poor conductor. So have a look children for the table 14.1 with different liquid, lemon juice, vinegar, tap water, vegetable oil, milk and honey. And here's the table for the deflection. Yes, 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 no, yes, no. And then good conductor, good conductor, good conductor, poor, good, and then poor. If you have any doubt related to the topic which has been taught today, you can ask me through Campus Care, and wherever I am in the WhatsApp group, you can ask any question in WhatsApp, or in my personal number also you can write whatever doubt you have. Rather than children in WhatsApp group, because there are a lot of messages over there, it's better you put up your question in my personal number or in Campus Care. Thank you children, and have a nice day.